Hello my friends. Secret of natural beauty, how potato and rice can replace Botox and reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Potato and rice, the perfect anti-wrinkle weapon. Friends, subscribe to my channel so as not to miss new good recipes. Potatoes contain enzymes and vitamin C, which may help lighten pigmentation and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Potatoes reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, potentially due to their antioxidant content. Potatoes contain polyphenol that protect your skin against sun damage and ensure even skin tone. Potato is rich in zinc, which heals your skin and soothes inflammation. Potatoes are enriched with the goodness of iron, which brightens your skin tone, leaving it healthy and radiant. Potatoes contain azelaic acid, which is known for its skin brightening properties. Using potato slices or juice on your skin can reduce the appearance of scars, blemishes, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation. Potatoes are packed with a wide array of antioxidants, including vitamins C and E, as well as carotenoids and flavonoids. These powerful antioxidants work to neutralize free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and accelerate the aging process. By providing the skin with a potent dose of antioxidants, potato-based skincare can help to protect against environmental stressors, boost cell regeneration, and leave the skin looking refreshed, revitalized, and radiant. By the way, I'm always curious, where are you watching this video from? Which country or city? Our next ingredient is rice. Japanese and Korean women have traditionally used rice and rice water for its purported skin brightening, anti-aging, and soothing properties, with rice water containing enzymes and vitamins that can help reduce blemishes, dark spots, and even skin tone. Rich in antioxidants, rice water has shown to inhibit the action of elastase, a compound that causes damage to elastin in your skin and leads to premature aging. That is why rice can safely be used to delay and reduce the appearance of aging signs on the skin. The reason rice water is so good for your skin is that it is rich in a lot of nutrients. For starters, around 16% of its composition consists of proteins, which are the building blocks of skin cells. It is also enriched with triglycerides, lipids, and starch, which are all responsible for enhancing skin health in various ways. Carbohydrates, inositol, phytic acid, and inorganic substances make up the rest of the composition, making rice water an ideal DIY ingredient for achieving glowing skin. Rich in antioxidants, rice water has shown to inhibit the action of elastase, a compound that causes damage to elastin in your skin and leads to premature aging. By the way, I'm always curious, where are you watching this video from? Which country or city? I love reading your comments and seeing how far this little recipe travels across the world. Let me know down below. Now, let's move on to the second part of our mask. To make it even more effective, I'm adding half cup of milk, a powerful moisture-locking ingredient. Raw milk is a natural moisturizer, hydrating and nourishing the skin, leaving it soft and supple. Packed with essential nutrients that are vital for physical and mental health. The high level of calcium in milk makes it an essential item for people of all ages, as it helps in making the bones stronger. But did you know milk can also address a number of skin concerns? Raw milk is one of the most beneficial ingredients for skin. Its topical application is said to make skin healthy and glowing. During ancient times, the goodness of milk was used to keep the skin looking youthful and supple. Today, a lot of skincare products are infused with milk due to its moisturizing and nourishing properties. You don't have to rely on these products to get the benefits of milk. Instead, you can use raw milk at home to get the skin of your dreams. Milk is an excellent ingredient for the skin. This is why a number of DIY treatments always include milk in their recipes. The problem is, not many women know how to add it to their skincare routine. But first, let us learn the many benefits of milk for the skin. Divide into 2 equal parts. We will prepare the first cream. Milk contains lactic acid that deep cleanses pores and removes acne-causing bacteria that get accumulated on the surface of the skin during the day. Using milk to cleanse the skin or as a face mask can help treat acne as well as reduce inflammation associated with pimples to give you clear and smooth skin. Want a natural and effective ingredient to keep those fine lines and wrinkles at bay? Look no further than raw milk. One of the benefits of milk is that it helps boost collagen production, thereby delaying the signs of aging. The presence of vitamin D in milk further promotes skin elasticity. Now, let's move on to the second part of our mask. To make it even more effective, I'm adding 12 drops of vitamin C oil. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen synthesis, a protein that provides skin structure and elasticity. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. By using vitamin C, you can help stimulate collagen production, improving skin texture and reducing the appearance of fine lines. Now, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil. But wondering why we are suggesting olive oil? The answer is simple: it is one of the best natural ingredients for skin care. Olive oil contains the vitamins A, D, E, and K that will nourish your skin and deeply moisturize it, making it baby soft and smooth. We have not even scratched the surface of inline olive oil. Polyphenol and squalene are strong antioxidants that fight free radicals, which in turn help slow the process of aging. I'll store this mask in a glass jar to keep it fresh for longer. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days, making it easy to use throughout the week. To apply, take a small amount and gently massage it onto clean skin, covering your face and neck. Let it sit for about 30 minutes so all the nutrients can absorb deeply. Then, rinse it off with warm water and enjoy the soft, glowing skin. For the best results, use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. And you'll notice your skin becoming more hydrated, firm, and radiant. Sweet. And most importantly, I would like to know in the comment section which country are you watching this video from? I always enjoy knowing where my wonderful fans are watching from. No matter if you are chilling at home, on your break at work, or visiting from another country, please comment your region. It is uplifting to notice that people from all over the world want to be a part of our family. You can also tell me something about your best, most effective herbs and even share any secrets you have about skin care, not that I expect you to share all of them. Your comments are interesting, so don't hold back and let's keep chatting. Let's get started. Second cream. We will need a piece of aloe vera. Want to know a secret? Aloe vera may just be your new best friend in the fight against aging. This miracle plant is rich in antioxidants and helps stimulate collagen production, which can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. One of the top aloe vera uses for face is its ability to tackle dry skin like a pro. The natural aloe vera gel for face is packed with vitamins and minerals that work together to hydrate and nourish your skin, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and supple. People suffering from rosacea or eczema also benefit from using aloe vera gel. Struggling with acne? Aloe vera gel uses for face also includes its antibacterial properties that help keep acne-causing bacteria in check. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe and calm irritated skin, making it a great choice for those suffering from breakouts. We've all been there: a fun day out in the sun turns into a painful sunburn. Aloe vera is here to save the day. Its natural cooling and soothing properties help relieve the pain and redness associated with sunburns and minor burns. Aloe vera gel is a natural skin lightener that helps to lighten dark spots, blemishes, and acne scars. It also helps reduce the appearance of acne scars by speeding up the healing process. Aloe vera gel can also be used to help lighten under-eye circles by reducing puffiness around your eyes. Aloe vera gel uses for face extends to brightening and improving your complexion. It can help fade dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and even out skin tone, leaving you with a radiant and glowing complexion. To make it even more effective, I'm adding 10 drops of almond oil. Almond oil is a great moisturizer, helping to keep the skin hydrated and supple, which can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The antioxidants in almond oil, particularly vitamin E, combat free radicals that contribute to skin aging, potentially reducing the appearance of wrinkles and promoting a more youthful complexion. By the way, I'm always curious, where are you watching this video from? Which country or city? I love reading your comments and seeing how far this little recipe travels across the world. Let me know down below. This mask is truly amazing for your skin. It boosts collagen production, fights signs of aging, and leaves your skin feeling soft, hydrated, and radiant. Plus, it's all natural and easy to make at home, no need for expensive creams or treatments. To apply, take a small amount and gently massage it onto clean skin, covering your face and neck. Let it sit for about 30 minutes so all the nutrients can absorb deeply. Then, rinse it off with warm water and enjoy the soft, glowing skin. For the best results, use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. I'll store this mask in a glass jar to keep it fresh for longer. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days, making it easy to use throughout the week. And you'll notice your skin becoming more hydrated, firm, and radiant. I hope you liked this video and appreciate these masks. Remember to take care of your skin, stay hydrated, and continue looking fabulous. Also, remember to subscribe so you can receive more influential tips regarding beauty. Thank you for subscribing already. I'll see you in the next video.